Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually change the title of your existing videos and photos on your iPhone Apple devices. Now it's very easy. Open up your iPhone or tablet and go down to Photos. Right there. Now once you're in your album, all you have to do is go to the video or photo that you want to rename. Now let's say I want to rename this video right here. All I have to do is go to the little eye icon, the info icon right besides the bin in the bottom right corner. Now from there this appears, as you can see right here. Now from there, all we want to do is add a caption, because you can't actually change the main title, but you can add a caption. So right here, I can name this the TV video, and as you can see I can press done in the top right corner, and now the video has changed its name. Now I can recognize it by the TV video, and that's it. If you still got any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will try my very best to help you, but most importantly, thank you for watching.